Imagine robots soaring through the sky on jet engines, factory workers trained by AI in mere days, and self-driving cars conquering the busiest city streets in the world. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible breakthroughs reshaping the world of robotics and artificial intelligence. From Italy's flying humanoid robot defying gravity to NVIDIA-powered bots revolutionizing factories, and even Waymo's ambitious plan to launch autonomous taxis in the heart of Manhattan, these stories are about to redefine what you thought was possible. Buckle up, because the future just arrived. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. Imagine strapping jet engines onto Iron Man. But instead of Tony Stark, it's a robot designed to save lives. Sounds wild, right? Well, researchers in Italy have just made this sci-fi fantasy a reality. Meet AEON Cub 3, the world's first jet-powered humanoid robot. And trust me, it's unlike anything you've seen before. In a groundbreaking test, AEON Cub 3 successfully lifted itself off the ground and hovered steadily about half a meter up. Now, you might be thinking, half a meter? That's barely off the ground. But here's why that's actually a massive breakthrough. Unlike traditional drones, which are built specifically for stable flight, humanoid robots have to deal with an entire body structure, complete with limbs that move and shift their weight unpredictably. Balancing a jet-powered, human-shaped robot midair isn't just tricky. It's like balancing on a skateboard while juggling. The AEON Cub 3 uses 4 miniaturized jet engines strapped to its arms and backpack to achieve this delicate hover. These jets generate intense thrust, letting it stabilize and make precise mid-flight adjustments thanks to advanced AI controllers. Every tiny movement, like shifting an arm or even turning its head, can completely change its aerodynamics. This means the robot constantly recalibrates itself in real time, solving complex physics problems at lightning speed to keep from tumbling down. But why build a flying humanoid robot in the first place? Researchers envision AEON Cub 3 assisting humans in dangerous situations. Think search and rescue missions, disaster zones, or hazardous industrial environments. Places too risky or difficult for people, this robot could swoop in safely. And here's the kicker, this is just the start. While AEON Cub 3 masters flight, another groundbreaking robot is about to revolutionize how entire industries operate, tackling massive labor shortages and automating tasks on factory floors like never before. Powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI, it's changing the game faster than anyone imagined. Curious yet? Stick around, because this next robot is about to redefine everything we know about industrial automation. Imagine training a brand new factory worker to master every task on the production floor. Not in months, but in just a couple of weeks. Impossible, right? Well, not if your new worker is AEON, a cutting-edge humanoid robot built by Hexagon and powered by NVIDIA's revolutionary AI technology. Hexagon's AEON isn't your typical robot. It learns faster than anything we've seen before. By harnessing NVIDIA's advanced Omniverse simulation platform, AEON managed to master complex movements, navigation, and tasks in just 2 to 3 weeks. Normally, robots take up to 6 months or more to get this skilled. How did it achieve this record-breaking learning speed? It's simple, yet genius. AEON trains entirely inside a digital simulation, practicing tasks thousands of times virtually before ever stepping onto a factory floor. Once ready, AEON seamlessly translates these digital skills to real-world tasks. It effortlessly scans factory environments, turning them into hyper-precise 3D digital twins. Think of it like capturing an entire factory's blueprint in seconds. Then, using these accurate models, AEON handles tasks like logistics management, precise asset inspection, and even machine tending, keeping factories running smoothly and safely around the clock. But AEON doesn't just solve day-to-day operational headaches. It tackles a critical global issue: labor shortages. Industries around the world struggle to fill millions of skilled positions, leaving factories understaffed and production slowed. AEON steps into this gap, providing reliable, tireless support exactly where it's needed, without fatigue or downtime. In fact, with its swappable battery system, it doesn't even need brakes to recharge. Just swap and keep going. Hexagon's robotic innovation is already in pilot programs, with major manufacturers like Schaeffler and Pilatus proving its capabilities in real-world settings. And the exciting news? This is just the beginning. Soon, AEON will be rolling out at industrial scale, redefining automation forever. But speaking of redefining things, Imagine taking these cutting-edge robotics innovations off the factory floor and onto some of the busiest, most chaotic city streets in the world. That's exactly what one company plans to do next, and it might just change transportation as we know it. Picture this. You step onto the bustling streets of Manhattan, hail a cab, and as you slide into the back seat, you realize there's no driver at the wheel. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But this scenario might soon become your everyday reality, thanks to Waymo's bold plans to bring self-driving taxis to one of the busiest cities in the world, New York City. Waymo, Google's autonomous driving spin-off, has officially requested permission to test its fleet of self-driving cars on Manhattan's famously chaotic streets. At first, these cars won't be completely driverless, though. Due to strict regulations and the complexity of the city, trained specialists will sit behind the wheel, ready to take control if needed. Before even starting passenger trials, Waymo's vehicles will thoroughly map Manhattan's intricate road network, learning to navigate unpredictable pedestrian crossings, busy cyclists, and constant road construction. If any city could challenge autonomous technology, it's New York. Successfully operating here could mark a major turning point in the acceptance and reliability of self-driving tech everywhere. But why New York? Waymo already has successful robotaxi operations running in calmer urban environments like Phoenix, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. But tackling New York's intensity, where traffic jams, double-parked delivery trucks, and spontaneous jaywalkers are just part of daily life, means proving that their technology can handle almost any city on Earth. And it's not just Waymo pushing the boundaries. Tesla's also diving into the robotaxi race, with pilot programs launching in Austin and ambitious plans to expand nationwide. These two giants are racing to redefine transportation in cities across the globe. We're standing at the edge of a major shift, not just in how we commute, but in how entire cities could be structured and organized in the future. Autonomous vehicles could mean fewer accidents, less pollution, and smarter, more efficient urban travel for millions. So, what's your take? Are you ready to trust your daily commute to a self-driving taxi? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking stories shaping our AI-powered future. See you in the future.